Hello and happy Monday, happy November. I want to be very clear with this call today that this is a kind of a goal setting type of a call lesson that I want to have with you today. And here's why. There are 50 some days left in this calendar year. And I want you to get your focus off of I'm recovering, I'm struggling, I'm feeling, I'm whatever it is that you're going through. I want to get your focus off of that and I want you to move it on to something constructive. And in particular, something constructive that you can do for the next roughly 50 days in service of achieving a goal. And here's why. What we focus on, we get more of. Like if you were focusing on, you know, a red SUV, because red SUV is in your mind, all of a sudden you're going to notice red SUVs everywhere you go. Whatever you focus on, you are going to see more of. And so often in this healing space, it's easy to get stuck into this was unfair. I have to figure this out. Oh my gosh, divorce, finances, paperwork, like all of the things. It's easy to focus on all of those bad things. It's easy to focus on what our partner did. It's easy to focus on what the other woman did. It's easy to like just make that focus scattered, all external, instead of focusing on something constructive and positive for us. Now, this is not to say like ignore everything else. This is to say yes and. One of the things that I teach people when they coach with me is the power of yes and. Oops, there we go. Is the power of yes. I don't know why suddenly a video started playing, but it did. The yes and. Yes, I am healing and heartbroken and have this horrible thing happened. And what else? Yes, and I am struggling and I am suffering and I have to figure out divorce paperwork and I've got to hire an attorney. And what else? So this is that and. What is the and that is moving you forward? What is the and that is keeping you positive? What is the and that you are working on? I recently decided, like yesterday, what I'm going to work on for the next 50 days is building muscular strength, increasing my muscle mass. I'm almost 57. Having muscles is important as we age for metabolic health, for metabolism, for bone health, for all of those different things. For the next 50 days, I am focusing on muscle mass. That doesn't mean that I'm not doing anything else. It just means that I am focusing on muscle mass. Yes, we're still doing all this stuff with the house from our sewer spill. Yes, I'm still seeing clients and running my business. Yes, I'm still taking care of, you know what I mean? All the things. And I am also setting this goal of increasing my muscle mass between now and the end of the year. So I am also working on that. And what it does is it gives me something positive and constructive to focus on. So I am focusing on that goal. And that's what I want you to do today is for this moment, what what do you want? Like for this moment, get out of I'm healing from betrayal. I'm recovering from this awful thing. Get out of yourself and find that thing like I am reorganizing my house. I am learning how to cook healthy. I am taking piano lessons. I am learning how to do the shuffle. I am like, come up with some goal that you can track, that you can relatively achieve in the next 50 days. Like, I know I'm not going to build all the muscle mass in the next 50 days, but I also know that I can start changing the way my body looks and feels in 50 days, and I can tell if I have gained muscle mass. So that's what I'm asking for you to do. Yes, all of this stuff is happening. And what is one positive, constructive thing you can do to build yourself up? You can learn how to cook 5 meals. You can clean out your closet and have a new structured space. You can, like, what is that thing that you can do? And I'd love for you to share below what it is that you're doing to hold yourself accountable. Also, this is the last free month of the sanctuary. So if you have not already joined, join and get your free month in the sanctuary of the soul. See what it's all about. Get that accountability, get that support, get that wisdom. The group coaching call is coming up on November 13th. To get your free month, go to flourishafterinfidelity.com. That's flourishafterinfidelity.com. Sign up. We'll connect on Voxer. I'll put you in the group. You will automatically get, once you sign up, you should automatically get an email back. So check your spam if you don't get it. It'll give you my Voxer handle so we can connect and I can put you in the group, and it'll give you the Zoom link for the call. And I'm sending out an email actually today. So I'll send it to you if you join after today, after Monday. But yeah, get your free month so you can have that accountability and support. A huge piece of healing, honestly, is accountability. We think we're going to do it on our own, and then it's so easy to get distracted. And having that accountability is huge. So join, post your goal below. Got about 50 days. There's really like 56 days in the year, but between holidays and all that stuff, you've got about 50 days that you can accomplish a goal. Why do we want to accomplish a goal? Again, it's evidence. It's evidence that we can do things. It's evidence that we are strong, that we are powerful, that we are worthy, all of that good stuff. And it keeps our focus moving forward instead of backwards. You can go to therapy and you can rehash the past. That's valid, that's good. But what this is about creating the future. Creating the future is like one step at a time. Your goal could be, I want to read 3 books in the next 50 days. Your goal could be anything, but make it constructive, positive, share below, and then get your free month in the sanctuary. Flourish after infidelity.com. See you next time. Bye.